This is the elevator at Macy's home at Concord Mall. It's a Dover. It's a Dover. Here it is. I'll go alone in this one. Go up to 3. Hopefully this one's got a good motor. Here we go. Nope, basic submersible. Originally a Strawbridge's. Oh, this was Marshall Fields. Found the 1. It's a Dover. Oh, it's got a bumper. Big. Here, cab view. Pretty basic Dover elevator. Here are fixtures, impulse fixtures. Hands-free 80 code phone. That's weird. Adam's phone on an impulse. Capacity 2,100 pounds. If you're wondering, Security was local distributor for Dover. Local Dover distributor. Not done here just yet, though. There goes and. That's it.